Nice and loud.
Okay, so as you all know, doves are very symbolic, and if you read about them, or if you read about the Holy Ghost in the Scriptures, you learn that it is a symbol of the truth of the deed, and so this is like
The truth of the deed.
to come, right?
Is this from you?
No,
Okay, good.
it's good. I like it.
Maybe one more person. Where's like one of my brothers? Harrison. Reach your hand in here. They won't go anywhere. No. You can hand one to me. Hopefully they fly.
Oh, that's nice.
By the way, Sterling has had these in his shower for 3 weeks, so he's not going to have to clean his shower out every day.
Every day it's like a real...
I hope they fly away.
Okay, cross some of you, cross your fingers. 1,
2, 3.
That was so cool.
So, okay. Their names were Urim and Thummim.
Could you translate that for me?
Light